Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into IELTS Writing Task 1, specifically how to describe a diagram effectively. We'll use a geothermal power plant diagram as our example, so stick around for tips, strategies, and a sample response.
First things first, let's break down the diagram. This image shows the process of generating electricity using geothermal energy. When writing your response, your goal is to describe the key stages and how they connect. Remember, you're not giving opinions, just reporting the facts. A well-structured Task 1 response has 4 main parts: introduction, paraphrase the question and state what the diagram represents. Overview, summarize the main stages of the process in 1 or 2 sentences. Detailed paragraph 1, describe the first half of the process in detail. Detailed paragraph 2, explain the remaining steps to complete the description. The introduction should include 2 key elements: a paraphrased statement of the question, avoiding copying the question directly by using synonyms and restructuring the sentence, and a clear statement of what the diagram illustrates. For example, the diagram depicts the process by which geothermal energy is harnessed and converted into electricity in a geothermal power plant. This introduction clearly states what the diagram is about. The overview is one of the most important sections because it provides a summary of the main features of the diagram. Key elements to include: a broad description of the process, mention how many steps or stages are involved. The starting and ending points, highlight the first and last steps without going into detail. A strong overview might be: overall, the process consists of several stages, beginning with the injection of cold water into the geothermal zone and ending with the generation of electricity via a turbine and generator. The cycle is continuous, ensuring a steady supply of energy. This statement provides a general summary without getting into specifics. The first body paragraph should describe the initial stages of the process. Here's what to include: where the process begins, mention the starting point. The first few key steps, describe how the process progresses logically. Use of passive voice, since processes don't have a clear subject, passive voice is preferred. For example, initially, cold water is injected into the geothermal reservoir through an injection well, descending to an approximate depth of 4.5 kilometers, where it encounters high-temperature rock formations. As the water absorbs thermal energy from these rocks, it undergoes heating and transforms into high-temperature fluid. This heated water then ascends through the production well and transitions into steam. This paragraph explains the first half of the process in a clear and logical manner. The second body paragraph should cover the final steps of the process. Key elements to include: how the process transitions, what happens after the previous stage. Final output, what is the result of the process? Recycling or reusing, if applicable, some processes are cyclical. For example, the steam is subsequently directed toward a turbine, where its movement induces rotational motion. This mechanical energy is transferred to a generator, converting it into electrical energy. Afterward, the steam is routed to a condenser, where it undergoes cooling and condensation, returning to its liquid state. The cooled water is then reintroduced into the injection well, ensuring the continuous operation of the closed-loop system that characterizes geothermal power generation. This paragraph completes the description of the process. Before we wrap up, here are 3 key takeaways. Always paraphrase the question in your introduction instead of copying it. Provide a clear overview that highlights the main stages of the process. Use logical sequencing, passive voice, and linking words, example, initially, next, afterward, to ensure smooth progression of ideas.
And that's it. With practice, you can master IELTS Writing Task 1 diagrams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more IELTS tips. See you in the next video.